friends, welcome to our channel App Reviews. This is Bernice and I will give you reviews on most amazing and fabulous app that you definitely love it, that will be very useful to you and definitely enjoy it. Friends, today I want to tell you about a easy tone generator for your workshop, laboratory, sound checks or your personal use. I'll tell you each and everything about this app, but before heading towards the video, do like, share and subscribe our channel App Reviews. Do like this video as well. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that whenever we upload any videos, you will get notified. Friends, the app which I'm talking about today is this ultra lightweight audio tool that provides live reference tones for sound frequency research projects and general audio test as well. You can adjust random white noise. There are stereo sounds of on and put off switches for light and right and on and off too. It plays in background also. I'll tell you each and everything about this app. Make sure to be with me till the end of the video so that let you know how this app actually works. Actually, sometimes when we watch any video or audio, the sound is not according to us. We have to adjust that, and this app which which is just very easy. I'll let you know actually. Make sure to be with me till the end of the video so let you know how this app actually works, and the link of this app I've already shared in the description box. When you go to the description box, click on the link, you can download this app. Friends, it's very easy, just a click away, and you can adjust any sound you want actually according to you. It's according to you. It's your, you say it's your remote in hand. So now come with me, I'll show you how you can adjust the sounds. So friends, now I will show you how this Pro Audio Tone Generator app works. As soon as you click on the link given in the description box of this video, this interface will come on your mobile screen. You have to click on install. I've already done that. It has been given 4.4 star ratings, 100,000 plus downloads already been done. Because it's so useful app, actually you don't need to have any more. If you don't know, if you don't have the sound, right sound to see or to listen to your audio or the videos, you can have this. You can have, it's having left and right button, and to increase and the decrease. I'll show you how. You can even enter your if you want to listen to this much, if you want to see the 300 hertz or the how many hertz you want, you can enter that by yourself manually too. Otherwise it's given like this as you see, and you can off the sound, on the sound, and everything is given here on. I'll show you how you can even preset that. You can set that, preset that how many times, anytime you want to. Now I will open it and show to you how this is. When you open it, this interface directly will come. Above you can see sound on, then sound off, right? And hertz is given, left button if you want to listen to the left, if you want to listen to the right, and this is the slow or the if you want to increase or decrease 1 hertz, or you want to, you can use that. Otherwise you can enter this manually. You can enter this, and you can have the sine, square, bopper or noise, whatever you want. You can increase and decrease by the side button as well, and you can even manually add that if you want that. You see, when you click on the hertz, and it will come like this, and if you want to enter 400, you can enter 400. And because 400 likewise it's not given, it's 5 only given. If you want to enter as per your choice, you can enter this. So it's a so amazing and so light app. Nothing is there, only the click, just a click. You can hear the audios and the videos as per your choice. The sound you can increase or decrease as per you want. Light and options is also given. You can add the manually sound, so you can easily, and this app doesn't occupy much space on your phones also. So it's a cool app and you can explore it. So friends, I'll be back with more amazing app reviews. Till then, you can share your views with us. You can even drop your precious comments on our comment section. Till I come back, you have to stay safe.